Scorpio, my water babies. Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is serenity, Scorpio. Peace be upon your soul and around your entire aura. You have so much going on, so much going for you. And we're 20 meters out from switching to a new season and finishing this race strong and starting a whole new entire race even stronger. I want you to look in the mirror and say thank you for your gifts that you've been displaying. Thank you for not giving up. Thank you for pushing forward. Get ready to shine like the sun. Get ready to be the superstar that you are. Through love, release, and inner work, I know peace. Love is the strongest weapon out here. Nothing could actually be a formidable opponent. Release all the negative thoughts, energies, grudges, and everything that frees up so much space to invite more love, prosperity, energy, and intuition. Your inner work makes you strong. You bend, but you don't break. And you know peace, and you're an all-powerful being. I have the general view of life, the gentle view of life. And every step with confidence, I welcome. I remain brave in the face of fear, because fear fears you. Look it in the eye, guarantee it shall run away like a coward, and then you continue to go on your journey and your path to success. And I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work, do its thing. You're in the best place at the right time, right place with the right intentions. Get ready to skyrocket. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.